Good morning everyone. This is the second time I've recorded this because the first one didn't. I forgot to press the record button. Anyway, I'm going to do a quick project share of this pop-up mini album in a box that I saw on YouTube. It was on Valint's channel. Now I'm not sure if that's saying her name correctly, but I'll link it down below. She had a lid on her box, but I really wanted to make the pull out parts of the album the feature, so I haven't got a lid. I've used Nellie and Clem printables, summertime collection, summer stories collection. It's the first time I've used her products, and I really love the simple graphic look of them. So for the box, I've just used my scan cut machine, which had a box template in it, and this is what it comes out like, and you fold it up and put it together. Used the papers in the printables collection as well. For the front I resized them and printed them onto vellum just to give it a softer look, but the sides are actually the full size of the print. But I really love that. The little tassel, I've just used some bits and pieces I've got in my stash. The flowers are from Loose Lemon Crafts, and they're just little resin flowers, but I thought they matched the flowers on the printables really well, so that's come out really cute. I wanted to keep the beach theme, so I've used this ribbon, which is a tassel ribbon, and it's just to give the effect of a beach towel. So pretty much you just pull this middle bit out, and then these open up and you flip through the album. So it's got 8 pages to it. Now I didn't have any photos, so I've just put some placeholders there so you'd actually put your photo there. And then I've just used the printables on each page. These pages are also the papers out of the printables, so there's 4 papers you can print out which match the collection. I've got a couple of tuck pockets there, so you could write something about your day at the beach or whatever about the photos, and put those in there. And then just some of the journal cards as well. And another little tuck pocket, and I've just adhered that with glue, and it's only half stuck down, so obviously you can write on the back of those and put those back in there. So for the waves, I've just used the die cut dies that I've got in my stash, and this is the Lawn Fawn Stitch Wave border, so it's got different borders. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, and even though it took a little while to put together, because I was experimenting with my scan and cut machine and how it was best to cut out the printables, I'm really thrilled with how it's come out. I think it looks really cute. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and hope you have a good day.